After downloading and installing the app, you can first click create account, and then you can either use continue with Google, or you can specify your email address, password, and the referral code if you've been referred by any user, for them to get some compensation afterwards. So the easiest way to log in is to click create account, to click continue with Google. So you do this, it brings up your email address, and then you're in. So we have 4 modules in this application. You have Surpass module, which is an exam preparation module. We have games, which is also related to Surpass, which is a gamified tool or approach to preparing for the same exams. Here you are joined with other learners, and you can play or learn and play quizzes in a competitive environment. And then you have CGPA, which is the FirstClassAI module. This module is for university and college students, and it can be used for tracking your studies, predicting your CGPA, and getting insight into what changes you can make to improve your chances of achieving your target CGPA. And then finally, we have the prices module, or the price tracker module, which would allow you to see prices currently for petroleum products, and thus you can reduce or manage your cost, the cost of your purchases. So, but for this quick test, you can just go to Surpass and start with use of English. You can try the flashcards, then click to see the answer. Then after you're done, you can pick if it's hard, and then you get another flashcard. So you have that, but you also have other options. You can take a short quiz. I'll just click through this. Okay, after a quiz, you can also review your performance in the quiz and get answer explanations. What you got wrong, what you got right. Okay, and when you're done, then you can see from this tracker here, it tracks your score in that quiz, and then it can show you, this can help you track your overall improvement over time. That's for use of English. And then you also have the mock exam, where you can take a full mock exam, similar to what candidates would be required to take in the JAMB UTME exam. This is a full mock use of English exam. You have, so you can start, take that. And for this, you have 33 minutes for use of English, but I'll quit this now since that's not the goal here. And then you have other subjects also. You have mathematics. For example, mock in mathematics is 29 minutes. Anyway, that's just a short intro video. I hope this makes it easier to use. You have other subjects also that you can practice, and you would typically have access to only mock exam 1 unless you have the premium subscription. And to get the premium subscription, you need to go to home, and then the gear icon at the top of in the title section of the page. It will take you to the settings. Then you click manage subscription, where you have to then get a subscription. So okay, now I have so many subscriptions. Assume you just want to get a new one. During this test, you can just click any of the subscriptions and you will get it for free. It will allow you to use this test card, which all the testers for this app, all the users have added to the test group. They will have access to this test card and they can use it within the app. So you just need to, it's always approved. So, and then you click that and it's subscribed. And yeah, so now it's active. So now if you go into government, you will now have access to all 20 mock exams, and you can also generate a mock exam. For example, for commerce, where I don't have a premium subscription yet, if you click this, you will see that you only have access to 1 mock, which means also that the short quizzes are based only on the question pool from 1 mock, and the flashcards also. But once you have the subscription, then you have a larger pool of questions to work with. 800 questions for all the subjects, except for use of English that has 1,200 questions. Okay, that's that. Later, you can try the games, Surpass games, but for this you need to have at least 2 people that you might need to sync with, because the games require at least 2 people to create a room where you can play, and you can select play different subjects. And at the end of the game, you would have a you have your score, your points shown on the global leaderboard. You can choose different difficulty levels also. Then you have CGPA tracker for university students. You can log a session, and so all this information is useful because it goes into the AI tool or the AI model, which is then used for the recommendation. You can set up your profile. Here you pick your country, Nigeria, for example, Federal University. Then you have, in my case, I will pick Obafemi Awolowo University, and if you want information about the grading scale, you can see that. You specify your course of study, Greek, engineering, program start date. So say I started last year, for example, September, say this. Okay, current semester, maybe I'm in this current semester will be something, semester 1 here. It's a 5-year course. How many semesters have you completed? I've completed 2, for example, and now I'm in the 3rd semester. Then yeah, you can specify a number of credits, the current semester start date. So this semester started, say, for example, 9th. Okay, to finish end of December, maybe just before Christmas. Yeah, so something like that. And then you specify your target CGPA, which will then guide most of the recommendations you will get. 4.80. Okay, once you've done that, you save your profile. So now it's showing current CGPA because I have some courses already. Okay, I have just one course and I got a B, so based on that, my CGPA is 4.0, but my target CGPA is 4.8. So there's a gap of 0.48, and that will then influence what I'll see. Okay, now I don't have a subscription here yet. I have to go and turn it on before that will work. Okay, so you have some analytics here based on the course I've already provided input for. This is not showing anything actually because I've not logged study sessions. Once you begin to log study sessions by clicking here, and you provide this and you save the information at the end here. Yeah, then you begin to have relevant information. Okay, and the AI Ultimate Analytics also need study data. You need at least 10 study sessions to be logged before you have data here. AI Recommendation also needs data, more data to work. Currently it's just you have ignored warning because I've not really provided, I've not logged new sessions, so that's why I'm showing this. So AI Recommendation is actually working because I've only listed one course, so it's showing recommendations only for that, and it's saying I should provide more data, and the same here. So yeah, that's more or less it. Price Tracker doesn't really have data yet, but we would have more data soon once people begin to submit prices. You can pick, now it's showing me for Norway based on my location, but if you're in Lagos, for example, or somewhere in Ghana, it will show you options, filling stations that you have in Nigeria, for example, if you're in Nigeria, and then you specify the street address, postcode, town, or city, and then you can input the price here. For example, in Lagos, this will maybe be something like 850. I don't know the current prices, yeah, but something like that. And then in Lagos, it will show petrol, diesel, kerosene, and LPG. Whereas here in Norway, showing petrol, two types of petrol, diesel and electric charging. And then it's advisable to also take a photo, allow while using the app, but and then put that information, rate the store, and then click submit price. But since I didn't provide any actual information, then nothing is happening now. So that's it. The other thing is you can set up study reminders. You can share Tenkobo with your friends, and you can get your referral code, which you will be used as you share Tenkobo and people download it. You will earn some money, currently set at $1 per 10 verified referrals after the referred users complete premium subscriptions. So, and you have other information here. You can share feedback also, general feedback, bugs, content issue, type something, and then submit that, and that will come to us. Okay, that's all for now. Yeah.